Okay, boys and girls, welcome back. We're going to get started on math again. So, just a reminder, these are our math strategies and your daily goals. Make sure you're going over your goals with an adult every single day. All right, we are in module 4 of our math unit. And just a reminder, these are our overall goals of our math unit, using different strategies, solving word problems, decomposing numbers, finding the number that makes 10, and fluency. Today, we're going to be working on decomposing numbers. Before we get started, let's go over our math vocabulary or academic vocabulary. The first one is a number bond. A number bond is a tool that we use to compose or decompose numbers. The next one is whole. Whole is the number that you get when you put your two parts together. And the last one is part. The parts are the two numbers that you use to get your whole, or the two numbers that makes the whole. Okay, boys and girls. So today, we're going to work on different ways to make 7. We're going to work on different ways to make 7. So here I have a number bond, and it's already filled out. The numbers are already there. So now we're going to use our cubes to help us represent our number bond. Let me show you what this looks like, okay? So I have some cubes here. I'm going to see, let me label my number bond so I don't get confused. This is the whole, this is the part, and this is the part. And I know that these two parts make this whole. So let me see, how many cubes should I take off first? Oh, I should take off 7 because 7 is my whole. Can you count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I have 7 cubes. But I need to show that 2 of my cubes and 5 of my cubes make 7. So I'm going to take off 2 cubes, and I'm just going to change the color so I don't get confused. So now I have, now I have 2 cubes that are orange and 5 cubes that are red. Does that still make 7? Let's count to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, it still makes 7. So what does that tell me about the number 2 and the number 5? That tells me that 2 plus 5 equals 7. And I can use my cubes to check because 2 orange and 5 red equals 7 altogether. Now, boys and girls, watch how I fill out my boxes. I have 7 boxes. Let me count just to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But I need to show that 2 and 5 make 7. So maybe I can color 2 boxes red. 1, 2. And what should I do with the rest? Just leave them? I could just leave them. Or I could color 5 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, did you see what I did, boys and girls? I use my cubes to help me represent the number bond. And this tells me that 2 plus 5 equals 7. But 2 plus 5 is not the only way I can make 7. So, can you help me out so I can figure out this one? So, I'm going to take these away, and we're going to focus on this number bond. What did you say? You said to label my number bond so I don't get confused? Okay, great. So, boys and girls, remember we're doing this one together, so make sure you have your whiteboard and your marker. If you don't have your whiteboard or your marker, you could just draw what you see on your paper. While you're drawing what you see, you could also draw 7 boxes up top because I already have 7. So you could do that while I label my number bond. This is my whole. Oh, these 2 parts make my whole. Okay, let's use our cubes to represent this. So I know that 2 plus 5 equals 7, but I didn't know that 3 and 4 make 7. I'm going to use my cubes to make sure that's true. So first, I'm going to get how many? I'm going to get, how many cubes should I get? Oh, I could get 3. So let me get 3 red cubes. If you have your cubes at home, you can get 3 red cubes. If you don't have cubes, you can use another object at home. So I have 3 red cubes. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. And how many other cubes do I have? 4. Oh, so I need 4 more cubes. I'm going to use a different color so I don't get confused. So I have 3 and 4. What does that tell me about 3 and 4? Oh, it makes 7. 3 and 4 makes 7. Let's count to see. I have 1, 2, 3. That's right here. And 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right here. Let's count it all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, 3 and 4 makes 7. How can I show that using my picture? So can you draw 7 cubes, like 7 boxes like I did? And let's see if you could color them in to make sure that it shows 3 and 4 equals 7. All right, now let me try. So should I color in 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Should I color in 7? No, because that's not what my number bond says. My number bond says to color in 3 and 4. So I'm going to erase this one out and make sure I only have 3 in that box. And how many should I color blue? Yep, I'm going to color 4 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. So did you see what I did, boys and girls? 3 red and 4 blue equals 7. Now, I want you to try one on your own. I'm going to draw. Let's try one together. Well, on your own, because we already tried one together. Let's draw our number bond. And I want you to put 7. And I want you to put 6 and 1. And I want you to draw your boxes. I'm going to make sure I have 7 boxes because 7 is my whole. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. Now, can you color in the boxes to match this number bond? This is another way to make 7. I'm just going to label my number bond while you are solving the problem. Okay, you could have colored 1 in and then colored 6 blue. That's 1 red and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blue. That equals 7. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that lets us know 6 and 1 equals 7. Another way I could have did this is draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. I could have colored 6 red and 1 blue. And that still equals 7 because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red plus 1 more equals 7. Okay, boys and girls. So today we learned how to represent our number bond using cubes. Now I want you to go grab your exit ticket and I want you to complete your exit ticket. Be sure to go to the next slide to self-assess. See you soon.